Hi everybody, this is Judy. Today we're talking about arugula, a delicious leafy green vegetable, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with arugula. So if you're looking for some new recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. We have almonds, beans, especially black beans, cannellini beans, fava, green beans, and white beans. Beef, cashews, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, hazelnuts, lentils, nuts in general, peas, pecans, pine nuts, pork, poultry in general, pumpkin seeds, seafood, turkey, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that go well with arugula includes asparagus, beets, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, chilies, cucumbers, daikon radishes, eggplant, endive, fennel, greens, and these are milder flavor greens that would be milder in flavor than arugula, and salad greens as well. Jicama, leeks, mushrooms, onions, parsnips, potatoes, radicchio, scallions, shallots, sprouts, especially sunflower seed sprouts, spinach, squash, and this includes summer and winter squash, sweet potatoes, and tomatoes. In the fruits category, fruits that go well with arugula include apples, apricots, avocados, berries of all types, dates, figs, grapefruit, grapes, lemons, limes, melons, especially honeydew melons, olives, oranges, peaches, pears, pomegranate seeds, raisins, strawberries, and watermelon. In the grains and grain products category, there's bulgur, corn, couscous, croutons, farro, grains in general, millet, pasta, quinoa, rice, and wild rice. In the dairy and non-dairy products category, there's cheese such as blue cheese, cheddar, feta, goat, grana padano, Monterey Jack, mozzarella, parmesan, pecorino, and ricotta cheeses. In the other foods category, there's honey, maple syrup, mustard as in prepared mustard, oil, especially canola, hazelnut, nut, olive, and walnut oils, pesto, vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, balsamic, raspberry, red wine, sherry, white balsamic, and white wine vinegars. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.